Hi, I'm going to show you how you can use the new Fix tool in Grid for iPad. Make sure you're online and you've got the latest version of the software. Then you'll need to go into your settings on the right-hand side and just make sure that under Data Control you've opted into Online AI Tools. Once you've done that, you can get started with Fix straight away by adding a new version of the Text Talker grid set. So you do that by going to Add Grid Set, and then listed under Text Communication you'll find Text Talker. So let's open it up and have a look at the new Fix tool. So we're just going to type in a sentence and we're going to make some mistakes as we go. So you'll see that there are missing letters, spelling mistakes. Press Fix and you'll see how that corrects your sentence. Another really handy way to use Fix is to expand on common abbreviations. So we're going to put an abbreviation in and select Fix, and you can see how that works. Thanks for watching, and please visit our website if you want to learn more about Fix.